Obituary. We see them in the news all the time. In a world of 8 billion people, more than 100,000 people die every day. But today's obituary is not about a person. It is a obituary for a written word, books. It may sound absurd, but it will make you sense. When was the last time you picked up the book? And when was the last time you spent hours in reading? No phone, no internet, no TV, no distraction. Just pure blissful reading. Hello all, welcome back to my channel Goan English Vibes, where we explore Goa's tradition, Goa's culture, Goa's cuisine, Goa's lifestyle, beautiful places, beaches, while learning spoken English in a simple and beautiful and enjoyable way. Today's topic is quite interesting. Is reading dead? Why people no longer read books? And today I have very wonderful friend. She has that zeal to learn this language. And recently she has started her reading journey. So hey Ragini, how are you doing? How has your day been so far?
Firstly, hi Sangeeta. My day has been very productive. It's going. And what about you?
Yes, I'm pretty well, and my day has been a bit sluggish today, actually, underproductive, I would say. But now I think it is becoming productive because I'm having you. So I think it is right now, it is productive. Okay, so Ragini, we will
So,
comment.
firstly, I would like to congratulate.
Yes,
Firstly, I would like to congratulate you for your new journey, YouTube journey.
thank you, thank you.
Congratulations.
Yes, yes, I'm very much novice, so you can see I'm so much fumbling because it is my first time. So that is the thing. But yes, we have to learn new things and it will take time to learn. Okay. So initially it will happen. So I am also doing experiment. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Ragini. So we will commence our conversation with a round of introduction. So could you introduce yourself, please, to our audience, not my audience, to our audience? Yes. Could you introduce yourself?
Okay, sure. Okay, sure, Sangeeta. As you know, my Okay, sure. So, as you know, my name is Ragini. I'm hailing from Bangalore. I'm blessed with three children. And these days, last friends from 2 years, I'm working in this English skill. So, I totally have that need towards this language. So,
Wow.
I'm improving this skill these days.
Wow, fantastic. It's very lovely introduction. Good to hear. So, Ragini, see, today's our topic is quite fascinating actually, is reading dead and why people are no longer reading books nowadays. Okay. So, I would like to, because you have started your journey recently, I am talking about reading journey, not about English. So, you have started your reading journey recently. So, first and foremost, I would like to ask you that do you like reading or are you reading out of burden?
No, no, I like reading books actually.
Okay.
Reading book is one of the powerful habit I can say, right?
Yes.
So I like reading books because while reading books we need attention. We require a lot of attention.
Right.
So it also trains our mind, and it also helps us to stay focused and calm. So I didn't feel any day that reading books is a burden. I
Okay.
feel very happy while reading books.
Okay. You know why I asked you the specific this question that you are reading out of burden? Because in my initial stage, when I started my English journey, and my reading journey, that time, literally I was reading book out of burden, okay, but slowly and gradually, I now I have been taking interest, and now it becomes, my hobby, you can say. So that's why I specifically ask you this question, that are you reading out of burden? Because most of the people, they are reading books because they want to improve their spoken English. So that is the reason. Okay. So Ragini, when do you start your reading journey? Means after your after starting your spoken English journey, you have started reading books, or before that you had that habit of reading books?
No, before starting this journey, so I used to read novels like Sudha
Oh,
Murthy's and Chetan Bhagat.
wow.
So I was totally engrossed with those novels. Maybe 5 to 6 novels I read Sudha Murthy's book. It was quite interesting.
And it was in English or it was in your
Yeah, yeah.
vernacular language?
No, it was in English because Sudha Murthy, she kept all her words very easy for beginners. So it was very useful for me while reading her novels.
Yes, and she used very simple vocab, and we can relate with her character very easily. Mostly women, we can relate with
Yes.
her very easily, and she speaks, at the bottom of her heart. It is not like pretending, okay, and it is for all middle class people. It's very we can relate with those character. We feel those character like we are also living those lives, okay. So that's why we feel interesting Sudha Murthy's book, because I have also started my journey with Sudha Murthy's books only. First book I read, I think, Grandma's Story. Okay. So you see, what do you feel, what are the benefits of reading books? What are the benefits?
Okay, so while reading books, I think we feel we can reduce our stress and we can be focused and calm for a long period of time,
Yes.
right? So we won't get any distractions. We totally engross our attention in reading books. And another thing also, it takes like we can create the different world while reading
Hmm.
books,
Yes.
right? In our imaginary we create the characters, and so that is something different. So we totally will be in that in that mood, the what is that character and what is the next, when we go for any mystery story or any crime story. So we will be indulged in that mood, in that attention only. So once we finished all our household chores or juggling with the responsibility, so that attention will be forcing us, go and take your book and continue the story, what will happen next. So that curiosity will create within us,
Exactly,
right?
exactly. I
So that is
altogether agree.
the benefit.
Yes, I altogether agree. It is not for, enhancing your vocab or your this language spoken English, but there are a plethora of advantages to read books. First is your, you can develop your imagination also, your creativity, your empathy also. Because
Yes.
when you go into that character, now automatically your empathy will increase, and it's very important. It is one sort of soft skill, and that is nowadays, soft skills are more important than hard skill. So empathy enhance because of reading only. You become more empathetic, right? So that is also one very significant benefits of reading books. Then your personality also will develop once you start to read books, because you become more focused, because for
Focus and
reading. Yes,
disciplined also, we will be disciplined when we
exactly.
inculcate this habit in our daily basis, right?
Hmm.
So we will be in disciplined level, right?
Exactly. Then, as you told, we can reduce our stress also. our
Yes.
creativity, because see, while watching TV we are not creating anything. Whatever they are showing, we are watching by our eyes. But while reading books, you have to imagine in your mind, you have to make that scenario in your mind, and it is very good exercise for our brain also. So
Yes.
creativity, imagination power also increase because of reading. And Ragini, I read somewhere very nice quote that a reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies, and who don't read, they live only one life. So see how profound it is. And I am so
Yes.
proud that I am considering myself voracious reader, though I am not reading lots of books, frankly speaking, but whatever I read, I always enjoy. And it is not only for enjoyment, but I try to incorporate those things in my life. For example, nowadays I am reading, the book name is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy, and it is self-help book. And because of that, my thought process also nowadays changing. How I was thinking earlier, now I am thinking very different way. Because earlier I used to say myself so many negative statements, okay, and now I am trying to change my statements. For example, earlier I used to say myself that I am useless sometimes, because once you get that frustration, we say sometimes I'm useless, okay, I don't have any confidence, I can't speak this English language, it is not my cup of tea, I have short memory span. But don't say these statements to yourself, because it get registered to your subconscious mind. And our
Subconscious mind. Yes.
subconscious, yes, and our subconscious mind is very powerful than our conscious mind. Okay, so don't give, because our subconscious mind doesn't know what is reality and what is fault or what is not reality. Whatever you give sentences to your subconscious mind, it get registered and it will work like that way only. So don't give that
Yes.
negative affirmations to your subconscious mind. So because of
Exactly.
this, yeah, because of this reading books, I got to know so many things. So very important, you can say, I can see conspicuous changes in my personality also because of reading books only. I am the
Yes.
same person, but after reading I am changing a lot. So that is the
So the way
important.
of thinking is changed for you,
Exactly,
right?
exactly. Because see, scenario is still same. I am encountering daily life that same adversities, precarious situation. There is no room for doubt. But because I change my mindset, my thought process now change. So I am seeing that silver lining in every cloud. So that is the big change. Because of this reading books only, I can see in myself. Okay, so
Okay.
Ragini, which types of books you like to read? Means novels you already told. So do you like to read self-help book also?
Yes, of course. I like to read self-help book where I can improve my personality. I can find growth in myself, as you said, as you give the example. So I want to transform myself by reading any like self growth book. So I like that. So
Oh,
which is beneficial for me. I do like to read those type of book.
okay. But what do you feel? Has reading really helped your life or only spoken English?
No, no, actually, reading helped me a lot because, as I told you, so we stay focused and we stay calm while reading books, so no distractions. But these days, I think reading habit is somewhere it's fading away because of
Hmm.
mobile phone and social media. Because
Yes,
people needs quick entertainment, they need
exactly.
everything instantly. When it comes to book, you need you want that attention for a
Yes,
long period of time. So people are not bothering of that long period of time. They want everything instantly because you will
exactly.
be getting in the mobile phone, you will be getting the notification messages, right? So your attention will just focus over there
Yes,
while reading book,
and
right?
this generation, they feel reading books, it is a fertile, okay? And
Yes.
because of social media, as you told, and because nowadays our attention span also decreasing. If you tell your son to read books for only 15 minutes, they can't attain with focus. In between, they will watch their mobile, any notification, any WhatsApp message, they will, their mind will definitely distract. They can't see for 15 minutes also. So
Yes, yeah. These days,
yes,
students, they will read just to crack their exam. When
yes,
the exams are around the corner, then only they will stay focused and they will pay attention just to clear their exams, right? So when
yes,
it comes to read the novel, read any story books, no, they never. Because these days, mobile and social media became like a colorful for them, like
exactly.
entertainment, instant entertainment,
Yes, yes, and
right?
they
Quick
want everything
entertainment.
in urgency, okay? Because see, if you
Yes,
drop any message to Google, it will give you answer. AI also, it will give answer you quickly.
yes,
So no need to go through the books and those things, because everyone is now in urgency. They don't have time. Everyone feel that I don't have time, but they are wasting a lot of time watching mobile, reel, everything. But they feel that I don't have time. Okay, every time they will give you that excuse. No, I don't have time to read books because it takes long time. And really, for reading books, you want long time. Okay, because it is a time-taking procedure. Okay, and they always they give you that excuse that I don't have time. But on the other hand, they will watch mobile for long time. Okay, and for fleeting
yes.
entertainment, because they get their very in a ziffy they get entertainment. So that
In
is the
easy
thing.
way, say whatever your wish is there, once you pop up in the mobile or social media, instantly you will find that, right? So that will give you entertainment. So what is the need of reading book?
Exactly,
So
but
they feel like that.
yes, but Ragini, to be honest, there is no experience like reading books, because while reading books, you get to know lots of our history, our concepts, depth of emotions, okay, that, and
Yes, exactly.
decoding that metaphor, and that is means the, and lots of things. While reading books, you will get to know, and that pleasure is quite different. So we have to
Yes,
taste it. I can't tell you to what is exactly that taste, because you have to take your own experience. But children are
yes,
not ready to take that taste, because same reason. And they have lots of another things also to do in their life, because now life become very hectic also, because they don't have time. Earlier in our childhood days, we didn't have lots of entertainment. Only TV was there, but only two channel at my time.
yes.
Only Doordarshan and DD Metro was there, and our
Same
parents.
here.
Yes.
And
So
epic stories like Ramayana,
yes,
Mahabharata. So
Mahabharata.
that was the entertainment for us, right?
Yes, and rest of the time we were free. We had that leisure time, and we use our time for reading books, because our parents also insisted, okay, because they were also reading books. But nowadays, what
Hmm.
happened? Parents are just, they are binge on watching mobile. So how they can say and how they can expect from their children? Because first you have to do, then only they will do copy paste. And that's why actually in my childhood, frankly speaking, I hadn't that habit of reading books. But to enhance my communication skill, I started reading books, and because of me, my children also started to read books. Though they are not reading so many pages, but they see me every time I read books. So they also feel what is in that book. Because couple of days back, I was reading Ikigai, and I just completely engrossed in reading that books. And my son, he wanted something, and I didn't give attention. So he came and he told me, Mama, just give me this book, what is inside, I want to see. So he also started to read that book. So
So
parents
that
should use.
curiosity came to him. Right?
Yes, that curiosity is
Yeah.
important, because for reading now you want curiosity. That is very important. If you don't have curiosity, then you can't start. Okay.
Because no,
So
Sangeeta, when the parents we are doing something good, right? The children's also obviously they will follow us,
exactly.
right? When we are parents totally engrossed or indulged with mobile phones, so they follow the same thing. When mama, when you're watching mobile, why can't I?
Exactly, exactly. So first now
right?
parents have to start, English, not this reading practice, not to, enhance your spoken English, but as we mentioned, there are plethora of benefits, and you become mentally so stable. You can't believe, Ragini, earlier I was really very pessimistic. My attention span was very small. I was always, fickle minded. Okay, I was not stable at all. But because of this reading habit, I can see these conspicuous changes in myself because see, we are our good observer. I can see lots of changes happen in me because of reading only. But nowadays, reading is really dead, because internet is there, because internet has taken place of books. Okay, now lots of libraries are
Everything
also,
replaced.
yes,
Social media, internet, everything replaced, Sangeeta.
exactly,
So
exactly.
people are least bothered about reading books. They are not at all experienced the
Exactly.
beauty of reading books, right?
Exactly. But somewhere now we have to start, and charity begins our home. So what I feel, when you go for any birthday function or anything, you have to give them now in gift we have to give them books only.
Yes,
Okay, it doesn't matter how expensive
exactly.
those books are, but you just give because that is the treasure. Okay, you are giving them treasure because see, whatever gift we are giving them after some days, because it is
Yes,
materialistic things, it will perish, it is perishable, so after some days it will definitely ruin. Okay, but books are really treasure and it will live with them for lifelong. Ragini, my son has given me this book, the grandma story, and he has given in the same from his library he got, and he just told me one day, Mama, you just start to read this book. And I just started, for the time pass only. But after that, that reading, reading journey
hmm,
started actually. So that is the thing. Okay, we have to make them to read. Initially, they will not take interest, but after some times definitely they feel that interest, and that interest is very important because we can't insist another person. Okay, they have to take that interest. Okay, Ragini, so just tell me what.
actually,
Yes,
reading
yeah, yeah,
books, reading books is like a best friend. We can feel
yes,
like books are our best friend,
exactly,
right?
books are best friends. Books are best friends, and because our best friends sometimes they do backbiting, gossiping. Okay, sometimes they demotivate, but books never demotivate.
That's
Books
what I'm
always,
telling you, Sangeeta. Because these days, you can't trust anyone, right? Because
anyone, yeah, anyone.
this
Exactly,
generation created like that. We are surrounded in this generation, so we can't trust anyone. When it comes to books, means so that is one of your best friend. You can spend a
best
lot
friend.
of time on that book. So at the same
And
time, you'll get knowledge also,
yes.
and you will learn so much of words, so much of vocabulary, sentence structure at the
Hmm.
same time. So you will be focused, you will be peaceful. So much of benefit is there. Reading book,
Exactly.
you are not just only reading book, you're gaining some knowledge
No.
also, right? The more you learn, the more you read, the more you learn.
Exactly, I
So that is,
absolutely agree. I absolutely agree with that because because of these reading habits only, I can say that my knowledge is also I am updating. Okay, because frankly speaking, my historical knowledge, geographical knowledge was really zero earlier, but because of reading only, it is updating because it is important. You should know what was our history, what people has done for us, what they
yes,
struggle in their life. And when you read another lady's struggle, you feel motivated that you are not here only one here, that you are struggling, lots of ladies they are struggling. Okay,
yes, correct.
so we feel that thing and we get motivation from books. What happened while watching TV or anything now, my case, I'm very sensible, I'm very much sensible. So whenever I watch TV, I am used to crying a lot, and because of that I get lot of headache. So lots of disadvantages, okay, watching TV and watching that things on TV. So instead of that, if you read those things on a book, then it will give you advantages, not any disadvantage. But watching TV always give you disadvantage. In my case, to 100% disadvantages because I am really very much sensible girl. Okay. So that is the reason nowadays I am avoiding watching TV, and I started to read books. Okay, Ragini, so which book recently you have read or you are reading? Can you share with us?
No, Sangeeta, that's what I told you earlier. I used to read, as I mentioned, Sudha
Hmm.
Murthy's and Chetan Bhagat. His stories or novel also, it's quite interesting.
Yes.
So now I stopped. So I think
Okay.
again I want to start that habit.
Yes, really, you just start that habit because now once we take break, it is really impossible to restart. So don't take break because if you read one page also daily, one para also, now it is also fine. But don't take
Yes.
break because this break and in
Starting,
yes. Hmm.
starting we have to do that what boundary that today compulsory I want to read one page.
Yes,
So the second day we have to go for two pages. So in the daily basis we have to increase the pages, right? That's
yes.
how we can occupy that habit.
Exactly, exactly. Because see, initially, if in one go, if you want to read, so it will never happen. So instead of that, now read
Yes.
in a chunk. Try to assimilate what exactly author want to tell us. What is exactly concept. And if you can tell your children or another person, if you tell that summary nicely, then only you understand that story. Otherwise, just you are reading for the sake of reading and telling another person, I read one book today. So it will never work for you. No, you just read in a chunk, try to summarize in those things in your own words. If you are able to tell another person that things, whatever you learn, I am not telling word to word. Okay, you just tell in your own words, so then I can say you are really reader and whatever you read, it assimilated in yourself. Otherwise, just for the sake for reading, you are reading, so that is not good. I never read, in one go. I always read in a chunk. And I try to understand what exactly author want to tell us, okay? And Ragini, really that experience, I can't tell you in words. It is really ineffable once you come across in new words, and if you know meaning of that word, or if you understand that metaphor, you if you decode that metaphor and that intricacies of that plot, then you feel so excellent. You feel, oh my god, I'm so talented, I'm so sagacious person, because sometimes it is quite difficult to understand what exactly author want to tell us. But if you read in a chunk, and if you give your 100%, means you have to read it very focused. It is not like that passive reading, okay? You should read with full of concentration, and once you get to know what is exactly gist, okay, then you feel so nice, you feel so happy, content. When I was reading one book and after finishing that book, I felt so nice, and on my face now that glow was there, and my son was asking me, Mama, why you are laughing? Okay, but I couldn't tell him in words because that experience was really it was ineffable, and I can't express in words also. Okay, so we have to read and we have to take that own experience. And earlier I was not reading, means I was not like that person, reading books and like that. I was into cosmetic actually.
Yes.
I I
Exactly.
I always, I used to buy new everything, moisturizer, cream, lots of things. But nowadays I'm not into that. Whenever I have money, I get money, I always try to buy new books only. So see, that drastic changes happen in me, then why can't in another
Yes.
person? Okay, but
Exactly.
only the thing is that you have to start somewhere. First few days you feel it is laborious task, but after some days now, after slowly and gradually, you feel that, oh my god, now reading become my habit. Okay, so that is the thing. But initially days you have to, if you feel burden also, then also try. But the thing is that if you are not interested in that book, then don't read, because don't drag yourself. Okay, just see your taste, and according to your taste you have to read books. If I say you to read Atomic Habit, and if you are not interested in that, then don't read, because now otherwise you feel it is monotonous, and then you give up, you throw in the towel. So what is the use of that? So according to your, if you are good in cooking, so read according to reading cooking books. Okay, if you want to read in beauty, so you can read those type of book. If you are in
Yeah, it
spirituality,
depends. It depends upon our interest. What we
exactly,
are interested. It depends
exactly,
upon us. No
exactly,
means we feel like it is something burden. So not like that. We see
yes,
reading books. We have to enjoy. We
exactly. That
have to.
is
We should not read
important.
out of burden. Right? We
Exactly,
have to
and
enjoy and we should read. That
exactly.
is the
Yes. And every book adds some values. It is not only friction, non-friction, novel. Every book, self-help book always add value. There is no room for doubt. But other books also now add some and another values in your personality. So any sort of books you have to read, but choose book wisely. Because I made that blunder earlier. So don't do that. You just choose book wisely. If I am saying to read Sudhamurti, no. If you are not interested, you can, you switch to another writer. Okay, but you have to see, and first that you have to give effort. First, you have to start reading, then only you will get to know what is your taste. Without reading, how you will get to know your taste, right? So
correct.
yes, whenever it comes to reading books, I become so excited. I don't know why. I can't say I'm avid reader, or I'm very sagacious. No, but whatever I read, I really enjoy a lot nowadays. Actually, I have very stipulated time nowadays. But whenever I get, I'm not it. I feel it. I'm exaggerating. But whenever I get fraction of second, also I start to read books. Okay, so that excitement now I have because of curiosity. Okay, so that is the thing. And yes, Ragini, now we have only 5 minutes. I know I made lots of blunder, but still now I am not accustomed to make videos, but it's okay. It is my experience. So I am doing for those things, but I'm feeling very content today. You join here and you took some time for me, because I also know you also are very much busy, but you took some time for me. So that's thank you very much. And again, I like to ask you, I would like to ask you, if you want to tell anything to my audience or our audience, you can share, means about reading books only.
Yeah, so actually, whoever I think they will watch this video, they will come to know or they will get to know the value of reading. So we introduce the value of reading. So how, for example, you only how reading books transformed you, right? So you find yourself that experience. So somewhere majority percent, like 1%, when whoever the viewers they watch this video, if they get benefited means, so it's well and good, right? Reading is so important, it is so knowledgeable, it is a powerful habit. Instead of, because these days people are just squandering their time in social media
Yes.
and and in YouTube channels, that is just waste. Their
Yes.
entire day they're just squandering their time, so they don't know the value of the time, how to invest and where to invest, where we want to improve ourselves,
Exactly.
right? So it is just an entertainment. YouTube or social media is just an entertainment. It's okay if you want entertainment, is just you take for half an hour, just limited period of time, right?
Yes.
So you should be cautious about what you're doing, why you're doing, where you're doing, what is the benefit. At the end of the day, what you gained, what is the knowledge you gained, what is the perfection you gained in the life. So how you want to improve in your future, how you want to improve yourself. So these questions we have to put on ourselves, ask ourselves what we are doing. So I think by watching this video, some people they may get benefited, that yeah, why can't we also like start a journey like reading one book. When you start reading with one book, you can do that, continue this powerful habit. It is very beneficial and it is also helpful.
Yes, exactly, exactly. Thank you, Ragini. Ragini, I just want to share, yesterday only I heard somewhere. Do you know what is the book, bestseller books? You know what is the best-selling book ever? Do you know?
And your voice muted.
Yeah, I
Please
think
come
my
again.
my internet connection is unstable. Do you know which is the bestseller book ever?
The author.
Book, best book. best seller book, I am asking.
Bookseller.
Yeah, which is the what is the do
Best,
you know the best
hmm,
selling book? Best selling book. Do you know what is that? It is the Bible
uh,
because 7 billion copies have been sold. Bible. So that is the best selling book. And which is the expensive book? Do you know? And what is the cost of that
no,
book? Yeah, yesterday only
no.
I was watching some videos and I got to know because I was really oblivious. So that book name is Codex Leicester. Codex Leicester, and that book price is $3.8 million in our
Oh
rupees,
my,
200 to 250 crore. And who brought that
oh
book?
my God,
Yes, Bill Gates bought in 1995. It is so
oh my God.
expensive. 200 to 250 crore. Oh my God. We can't imagine also. And really, I was oblivious.
Who
So,
will invest?
huh?
Who will invest, Sangeeta? That is so expensive. Who will
Yes,
invest?
yes, yes, exactly. But in our case, 100 rupees, 200
Because
rupees wala
these
book.
days, these people not purchasing 100 rupees book only, they are not reading, right?
Yeah, but now we are getting books in 100, 200. In Meesho, now it's very expensive. If anyone want to buy, just buy from Meesho. Because, I ordered so many books by Meesho's and it's really very much, affordable. Nowadays, books are not so expensive. Earlier, we felt that books were very expensive, but nowadays it is quite affordable. So anyone can buy because nowadays 100, 200 rupees is nothing for anyone, all mediocre people also can waste their 100 rupees for
Yes,
eating outside food or anything, recharge their mobile or something like that. So instead of that, invest your money
like
because it is
pizza, burger.
investment. It is not you are wasting your money, it is investment. Okay, Ragini, so our time is over, I think. I'm not getting intimation, but I don't know because I'm really new in technological things. I am not technological savvy.
Okay, thank you, Sangeeta.
Yes,
Thank you for being a part of your session. Thank
yes.
you for giving me this opportunity. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks a lot. Bye bye.
Yes.
Have a good day. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Yeah. Bye. Have a great